We're going to take this back, and now is the good stuff. You're going to take your syrup, of course, only 100% maple syrup, and you're going to pour that baby right on top. And of course, you need a little bit of powdered sugar. You can use one of those zesty things, but I'm just going to go old school right on top with my fingers. And then you have your berries that you can throw on as well. Throw some berries on there, and then you have some incredible strawberries on top. And just as an added garnish, you can put a little bit more of this 10x sugar.